Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Claude is disabled error. Alright, so let's begin. If you're seeing this message inside Claude AI, it usually means your access is being restricted because of your account, region, or network settings rather than a random glitch. To fix this, first, make sure your account is in good standing. Confirm that your account is fully verified, including any required email or phone verification. Then log out of your account and sign back in using the same method you originally used, whether that's Google, another provider, or a direct email login. Starting a fresh session can often resolve temporary authorization issues. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you're using. Claude may restrict access when it detects unusual or constantly changing locations. After turning off your VPN, refresh the page and see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, try switching networks. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. Also, avoid school or workplace networks as they often block AI services or certain ports required for proper access. Another helpful fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift Delete, select cookies and cached files, and then click Clear Data. Once that's done, restart your browser and try accessing Claude again. You can also try using a different browser or device. Opening Claude in an incognito or private window is another good option. Browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox generally work well. This can help determine whether an extension or an old browser profile is causing the problem. It's also important to confirm that Claude is available in your region. Claude isn't supported in every country, and attempting to access it from an unsupported location may trigger the Claude is disabled message. Keep in mind that sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. Temporary server maintenance, rate limits, or other service-related problems can also cause this error. In those cases, waiting 10 to 30 minutes and trying again may be enough. If you believe your account has been flagged, suspended, or otherwise restricted, you'll need to contact Anthropic support for assistance. When reaching out, include the exact error message, a screenshot if possible, and details about any recent changes you made to your browser or network. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to investigate the issue. In most cases, one of these methods will resolve the Claude is disabled error, and that's it. This is how you can fix Claude is disabled error. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.